Hi guys, welcome to Honest SR, where you get unbiased, straightforward reviews of products without any financial support by anyone else. Hi guys, today we are going to be looking at the PowerBeats Pro. Let's get into it with the pros. First of all, the H1 chip really has done marvels. It gives it a great battery life of 9 hours and up to 24 hours with the case. It's really easy to connect with Apple devices and in between them. It's also got fast fuel due to it as well, so 5 minutes of charging would give you an hour and a half of playback. It also gives you auto connect and auto playing as soon as you put them into your ear. Comes with Bluetooth 5, which is great for connectivity and also the distance as well. A little hard to put on, but once you put it on, it really stays on, doesn't fall out, as opposed to the AirPods. The way it sits in your ear is really great too. It's comfortable, you don't really notice it. It's sweat and water resist as well. I haven't had any connection issues with it, any dropouts, anything like that. Whereas with the AirPods first and second generation, I know a few people and myself that had really bad connection issues. I really love the buttons on this. That's something I really missed on the AirPods. The buttons give you a lot of control on it. There's just 3 buttons, but you can control the volume up and down, which is a really plus for me. You can pause, play, skip and backtrack music, answer calls, reject calls, end calls, answer second call without hanging up on the first caller, switch between calls and activate Siri just by those 3 buttons. However, I found the main button with the Beats logo on it to be a bit flimsy. Like, I'll press it sometimes by mistake, unintentionally pausing the track, which is not a big deal. Look, it's a pretty good all-rounder for sound. I love the bass on it. Some people don't like it. They're like, it's not as bassy. I loved it, and it's really good for listening to loud music. Now let's get into the cons. First of all, it's really expensive and it's not the most truly wireless headphones out there, nor is it the best sounding ones. And the case, on the other hand, it's a bit bulky and big to be carried around in your back pocket. I found out that I was just leaving it at places, and like in the car and at the house, and just taking the headphones. But look, the earbuds in itself, they're pretty good. Like they got 9 hours battery life. Sound isolation was pretty limited and pretty useless in my opinion. I could hear everything going around me. It didn't do anything. And there's headphones out there that do have noise, earbuds in that case, do have noise cancelling. It didn't have waterproof. There are headphones that have waterproof and they sound pretty good. Other than that, I didn't really like the this is just my personal thing. I didn't really like the design of it. If it just on the way it looks, if I was just looking at that to buy it, I wouldn't buy them. And answering phone calls, really useless. If I answered so many phone calls on it and I just couldn't, the other person on the other line couldn't hear anything because of the background noise in the train and things like that, in the car and all that stuff at the gym, nobody could hear me properly. It got, another beef I've got is it got introduced to Australia really late compared to the rest of the world. Like Europe got it introduced in Germany and stuff like that before we got it here, and to date it's only available in black. So those are the issues I've got with it. Okay, verdict time. I was quite impressed with it. It's not the best sounding or true wireless earbuds out there, but I would buy these if I was looking at the AirPods, or I've got everything Apple at home, because these are heaps better than the first and second gen AirPods. Alright guys, that's it from me for today. Let me know what you think about my video in the comments, and if you want to support my work and you like to see more videos, please do subscribe and give me thumbs up. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.